R vector is
and irrotational.
Irrotational. Then
For any value
for any value of n. But
so soil n equal to minus this.
okay, n is equal to minus c. Okay, first two things we need to find out. First, we need to show that it is a irrotational. Next, for solenoidal. Okay, for irrotational, what you will find? Cross product. First, always represent the given values in the question. Okay, so what are the given? What are the given? Who just started? R power n R vector. So, shall I take plus f vector is equal to R power n R vector. Okay, to find whether the f vector is solenoidal, irrotational or not, we will find the cross product. So, to find del cross f vector. Okay, so del cross f vector I, j, k. Then
Dou by dou x,
dou by dou x,
dou by dou y,
dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Next, for all the three R power n R vector will come. What is R vector? First we need to write that. What is R square? R vector is xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. Then what is R square? 1 square. X square plus y square plus z square. What is dou r by dou x? We have already solved. Take unit 2 first sum. X by r. Very good. So R vector is xi vector plus yj vector plus z k vector. So R square is x square. R square is R vector dot R vector. So I dot I is 1. X dot x is x square. So x square plus y square plus z square. So I am differentiating this with respect to x. So 2r dou r by dou x is equal to 2x. So I am cancelling 2, which is same on both sides. So dou r by dou x is x by r. Similarly, dou r by dou y is
y by r.
Yeah, y by r. And dou r by dou z is
Z by r.
z by r. Now we are going to reframe the given question. So f vector is r power n. What is r vector? xi vector plus zk vector. So I am multiplying rn. Take it in. So what you get? X into r power n I vector plus y into r power n j vector plus z into r power n k vector. So now you got I, j, k. So in the determinant we will be able to substitute those values. So you should not make this same mistake in the exam. So that currently I proceeded what you are saying. Okay, wow. So always reframe the given question. So R vector is represented as the form xi vector, yj vector plus zk vector. Okay. So now we will find out del cross f vector, which is I vector, j vector, k vector, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z into x r power n, y r power n, z r power n. Okay. On solving what you get? I vector into differentiate this with respect to wait. R vector is of the form x, y, z. So how it will be 0? So you should differentiate that. Okay, wow. Jacobian form, transformation of symbols, same thing, transformation of it. So differentiate y, z acts as constant. So z into r power n differentiating you get n into r power n minus 1. Now I am differentiating r with respect to y. Dou r by dou y. Okay? But then similarly for this minus y into n into r power n minus 1 dou r by dou x. That's all. Okay. One thing we can proceed with similarly plus j into. Already I have told if it's in a cyclic way. What do you mean by cyclic way? Cyclic process, cyclic way, cyclic variables. Here the question is saying r vector is xi vector, yj vector, zk vector. X corresponds to y, y to z, z to 1. Same process is repeated. So I can put it as summation. Okay. So next thing will be similarly j vector into x, z after x. So x into n into r power n minus 1 dou r by dou z. Okay, same thing. Okay, you should be very careful. It should be taken when it is cyclic. You can't take when it is of the form yj vector or y I vector, zj vector. In that you cannot take it. Okay? So, ma'am, this solve pannudima? Yes. You can take plus j vector into, you can solve. Same way you can solve, but it will be of the big form. So, I am summarizing it to compact thing. Summation. Okay? Any doubts in here? Okay, copy. I got it. So, summation I vector into z into n into r power n minus 1. What is dou r by dou y? Y by minus y into n into r power n minus 1 into dou r by dou y is z by r. Shall I write it? Okay. Summation I vector into multiply y z n into r power n minus 2. Am I right? How to? R power. So r power minus 1. Same base now powers can be added. So r power minus. Next minus similarly z into y n into r power n minus 2. So the same term. So you will get what you get? So 0 I vector plus 0 j vector plus 0 k vector. Therefore it is 0 vector. So we have proved that f vector is irrotational. You should always conclude the answer. Though you have proved it is 0, you should conclude f vector is irrotational. Now second solution to prove f vector is solenoidal for all the values of n. Here for all the values of n plus. But for solenoidal they have given a limitation. It is 0 only for n is equal to for n is equal to minus 3. So to find delta f vector. What is there?
Dou by dou.
I vector into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z dot. What is f vector? X into r power n I vector plus y into r power n j vector plus z into r power n k vector. So I dot I is 1. So I am putting summation. Since all the values are same and it's a cyclic form, I am putting it as summation. So dou by dou x of x into r power. Okay. What you will get on differentiation? It is of the form UV. So first I am going to differentiate with respect to x. So you will get 1. So r power n plus differentiating with respect to r. So what you will get? X into n into r power n minus 1 dou r by dou x. What is dou r by dou x?
X by r.
X by r. So summation I vector into r power n plus x into n minus 1 into x by r. Shall I rub this side? Everyone. Okay. So summation I vector r power n plus x n r power n minus 1 x into x square r if it comes up n power minus 2. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to open the summation. Okay. So for I you are having r power n x square n into r power n minus 2. For j you will have again r power n, but instead of x you will have y square n into r power n minus 2 plus r power n plus z square n into r power n minus 2. So combining all the three, what you get? 3 r power n. 1, 2, 3. Next, what is common? Here, look. N into r power n minus 2. Then x square, y square plus z square. What is x square plus y square plus z square?
R square.
R square. What do you get here?
N.
3r power n plus n r power n. Here minus 2 plus 2. So it get cancelled. So taking r power n as common, you will get 3 plus n. What is the condition given?
N equal to minus
N equals to
minus 3.
So, yeah, very good. For n is equal to minus 3, del dot f vector is equal to r power minus 3, 3 minus 3 which is 0. So, when dot product becomes 0, it is solenoid. Therefore, but it is not 0 for all the values of n. For example, if you take minus 4, will it be 0 girls? No. So, the answer is 0 only for n is equal to minus 3. So, f vector is solenoidal for n is equal to minus 3. Dou x plus j vector into dou v by dou y plus k vector into dou v by dou z. So how you will represent it as a summation of summation I vector dou v by dou x. Okay, it's just a notation of writing the vector identities. You can just take it out. Second thing is del dot f vector. This is what is del I vector into dou by dou x plus j vector into dou by dou y plus k vector into dou by dou z dot product f vector. So f1 I vector plus f2 j vector plus f3 so k vector. So on multiplying what you will get dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Del dot f vector is equal to I vector dou by dou x plus j vector dou by dou y plus k vector into dou by dou z dot f vector. So I vector into dou f vector by dou x plus j vector into dou f vector by dou y plus k vector into dou f vector by dou z. So on writing summation, I will write it as summation I vector dou f vector by dou x. Okay. Similarly for cross product also we can write del cross f vector is equal to I vector j vector k vector dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z into f1 f2 f3. So you can write summation I vector dou f3 by dou y minus dou f2 by dou z. Okay. Result fx of x comma y is a given function. So for that we are going to find the differentiated derivatives things like that. So f of a comma b. A comma b is a point. So for given function, for example f of x is equal to x square y. Then the point is 1 comma 2. Now you will substitute here. Then you will substitute the value here. That is f of a comma b. First you will substitute the given point. Next what you will do? Plus h into fx of a comma b. That is you will find the derivative of f with respect to x. Then you will substitute the point a comma b. What is h? X minus a. What is a? A is a point. So x minus that point. Plus k into fy of a comma b. This is only you should learn. This is 1 by 1 factorial. Next thing, it is obtained by the formula a plus b the whole square. This is a. This is b. So what is get? What is the formula a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So a term is h into fx of a comma b. So what you get? 1 by 2 factorial h square f xx. Why? Double times and derivative now h represents x minus a. So fxx of a comma b. Next 2ab. So 2 into h k f of what is h x k y. So x y of a comma b plus k square f y y of a comma b. That's all. For this you are taking for the past 4 days. Next for 1 by 3 factorial you will use what formula? A plus beta whole cube. What is that? A cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 a square a plus b cube. Same pattern You don't need to buy heart so hard. See how many of you standing? Girls sit.